Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm Felix Quinkwa, I'm the head of AI at MakerSuite, and we have developed a really cool feature called the graph chart, which you can find in the exploration. So if you haven't launched an exploration yet or don't know how to do it, check the video out that's linked in the description, which will guide you through how you can get to this stage. And then what you want to do is to click on this graph chart button. The graph chart button will spawn this overview, and no worries, it's going to look like a complete mess at the start. But today we're going to try and understand how you can get meaning out of this graph. So, firstly, what is it even showing? Each dot on this graph corresponds to a video. And if we just hover over one here, we see there's a video called The Truth About Shooting ISO 100 that the pros know. So photography video about the light sensitivity setting by John Branch for photography. What we see is that this video is connected to a lot of other videos, which you can see each one has a little line connecting them, and if you hover on the video, the ones that are connected to it get highlighted. So in this case, you can see, and this might be a little bit hard to tell on the video, that, for example, the connection to this orange video here between the two is an orange line. What this means, whether the line is orange or blue, is that an orange line means people from the orange video are moving towards the blue video, or in this case, people from the pink video are moving towards the blue video. This allows you to analyze user behavior across YouTube. So let's say you are interested, or you've found the video Sony Pixel Shift Multi-Shooting, editing a file in Imaging Edge and Photoshop CC. You can see that this video connects to two additional videos that are why everyone was buying Fujifilm cameras and 4 amazing alternatives to the Fujifilm. So clearly those are people that are interested in specific camera technology by different companies. So the ones about Fujifilm are a bit more central, which means that there's more other videos that recommend them. Overall, you want to create videos that are recommended by a lot of other videos, because that's the way that you get views on YouTube. You don't usually get views through search engine optimization or through just, getting your subscribers to watch your video, but the bulk of views comes from those people that have watched a video, and then your video gets recommended underneath. And you can tell what you need to produce through this graph. So in general, big videos are ones that are recommended by more other videos. And a good first step would be to just look at all the big circles, because those are videos that get a lot of recommendations. So once you've done that, it usually already shows you a rough theme as to what people are talking about. And in general, also you will find that videos in the center of the graph tend to have bigger circles, so they're recommended by more other videos, whilst videos on the outside tend to be smaller, which means they get less recommendations. You, of course, want to make a video that is in the center, that gets recommended by many other videos. The way to do this is to really analyze what differentiates the videos that are on the edge of this graph from the videos in the center of the graph. And you can also go ahead and look at specific videos and think about, how could I create a video that people would want to watch after having watched this video? So if you take yourself 2 or 3 big videos and you come up with one video that you think, if it was recommended underneath this already big video, people would want to watch it, people would likely click on my video. That's a really good way to also then get a lot of other tertiary connections from your to your video. So the way to get actionable insights out of this graph is to go ahead, look at big videos, analyze how they connect to each other, and then figure out, how do I make a video that takes 2 or 3 videos with big circles and funnels those viewers to my video. That way, you're not just capturing people from 2 or 3 videos, but all those people from the videos that are secondary connections that go to those big videos will then watch that video, and will then go to your video afterwards. And that's just a really, really efficient way to grow your channel quickly that we found works super well, especially if you have few subscribers, because when people go into the recommendations, they don't care about your number of subscribers. All they care about is the video title and the thumbnail. So with two very easy to adjust metrics, you can then get a lot of views very quickly. So that's how you can use this graph view to quickly grow your channel. And it's, in my opinion, one of the most interesting and insightful plots that we have on our platform, even though it at first looks super intimidating and it's super hard to read. But once you get familiar with it, it can really level up your channel growth. So yeah, thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you around in some of the other tutorials. Bye bye.